Alright everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is I'm upgrading my bench grinder from the one I've had for the past 10 years, which pretty much basically has fallen apart. So what I picked up today is a Craftex. It is a grinder, plus it has a sanding disc on it, or should I say a sanding belt. So let's have a look at this bad boy. I've been pretty excited about this. I could have drove up to the northeast part of the city and picked it up, but shipping was free. So I'm like, what the heck? I'll just get them to ship it to me. So we'll see if Canada Post beat it up. Good old instructions, safety, special guards. Yeah, so this one here is an 8-inch, 1/2 horsepower, 2.5 amps. Even has a light which is going to come in handy. My other one was 1/4 horsepower, 2.5 amps, but it was gutless. It's actually kind of cool. There's a couple set screws right here, and you can adjust those to have the belt at whatever angle you want. And the reason why I bought it is for this right here. That's going to come in handy much later in the future. Not only that, when I ordered the sander, I ordered a bunch of belts too. I got some 60. I think I got 360s, a few 220s. I think these ones here are 100. So got a variety of belts. Doing the belt track, I got set up now, but it's very finicky. Right about there it seems to ride. Alright, well I'm going to end the video there. The first look at the Craftex belt sander and grinder. This is going to come in handy in the future for a lot of projects. I bought it especially for the belt sander. The grinder part, well, you know, grinder's a grinder. So I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this. I guess the real test will be is how long it'll last before I start having issues. Anyways, I'm going to get going. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.